back to a freaking video. We're at Salt River. Good Friday. Yeah man, we're going to chill out and thing. Today at the beach. Yes. I know no guys are gonna love that vlog because I hold for excitement and thing going on the beach, not the mineral. It's a mineral actually, but we normally call it beach and thing. So really cool vibes, some beer things are going.
Yeah, cool, I gonna love this, you know. Pool party. If I leave on the beach, me have to reach a summertime. Hey, every man say if come along, go for your suntan in the summer sun. If you want bleach and go back home, go for your umbrella cause the sun about. The young girl them a bring it on. In a bikini them in a pretty tongue. You know for shy girl bring it come. If you
I was a liar, I gave into the fire. I know I should have fought it, at least I'm being honest. Feel like a failure, cause I know that I failed you. I should have done you better, cause you don't wanna lie. And I know she gives.
One thing, on Easter Friday. So it yeah man. On Easter Friday and things, isn't it? The vibe's nice and things still. It's full but not too full if you know what I mean. Just the right beach check-ins and things, see me? Want to move one thing. Beach, no, but like a mineral thing. They can come chill out. And the Klein and most favorite spot chilling spot and thing. But all of the Klein and people, I know I'm sure I don't know what it's Salt River and thing. Vibes nice, everybody enjoy themselves and things, see me? What thing and thing. So as you can see, Black Girl, it's a beach there. And we are chill out with the family and thing. Minga that, the man himself, General Armani. I go and chill out. We are going to have vibes of Salt River and thing, you see me? Mad thing. It's the boy there. Minga, big up yourself, youth. Large. You see them people now? Yeah man, family have a family day. What did I win? Easter. Did I win? Good Friday? Good Friday? Did I good Friday? Easter Friday? You know what to do that Easter Friday and things? I go and chill out. Want to do something for the vlog? Yeah. Yeah man, I'll push it man. Yeah man. You afraid of anything, you know? Watch him. I'm looking for that some great things and things. What's up in that man? You go straight man. Yeah. You can't swim. No, you can't swim. You can't swim. They can't come out. You come out him John. Yes, and help him out. Can you don't really know? Hey, watch him, I'm crying. Come on, for the beach. All our family there and chill out, you see me? Come on, comment and tell me if you know what the place is still. Jamaica. Like you doing man. Great. They want to take a money. Why did I take a money? It's a pretty one. Something for the black man. Cool. You're cool? You say I'm cool. And a beer, son. Watch it. About 3 o'clock now, the place hot like fire. vibes of Saliva, man. Thing nice, we have all Easter Friday. Vibes and thing, I go and chill out. You don't want to wait on the camera. What do you want to do? Yeah, big joke in this. I'm going to go left them. I'm can't bother with the whole joke thing and thing. Too much people have pick up what. You can't bother with the whole water pick up now. I go somewhere by myself. Come here, all the vibes and chill out. And thing. Bother all them one vibes still, isn't it?
They know the inside waterproof.
The black me I do, man. The black me I do. What beach guys nice and thing. Jump off at the rope. Yo, the beach nice, man. I tell everybody enjoy themselves. Everybody have a nice vibe. I like the beach and thing. It's not really a beach, you know, but a mineral actually and thing, isn't it? How much people watch a vlog actually been to Salt River? I know a lot of people have been to Salt River because most of the Clarion audience may have so far and thing. See me? But the vibe nice still, watch it. 7 nights is still spot in Clarion, guarantee. I tell you, when I holiday, when I go beach or mineral, guarantee, yes, I'm going to be full. Today Easter, Friday and thing, Good Friday I mean. And everybody all the nice vibes. You see me? The man himself, Nigga General, top man at the place. I'm good, man. So you call like guys. Yeah, man, I like how we started today. Good Friday, matching, I like it up. Well clean. Salt River are the sickest thing people don't want to experience who never experience it. Man, tell you no mad thing. Watch him silent. The man all turn upside down on him head. The man himself. That was a crazy jump off of the rope. I saw it river. The river is nice and everything. Yannick, one chill at the vlog. Pick up your damn self. Yeah, man, feel nice on the vlog. Don't see one thing. And I go and chill to go eat some food. Yo, we done see one thing at Salt River and I go and chill out. Yannick na the back down yourself out, say want to come to the vlog. Mad thing, you see me? I eat some food, see me vlogging on the food, you mean you see? Come on and again, after Max. I go and eat some food and chill out. And bikers, them are going to roll out, you know, mad thing. Yeah, we're there, I don't eat you know one thing. So the conclusion on the vlog. It was a nice day. I hope someone there could have chill out with you and thing because it's a great holiday. Easter Friday, Good Friday and thing, you see me? Yeah man, yeah, listen to some music now and chill. So we're going to end the vlog right here, so and do remember to like, comment, share, subscribe to this channel. Yeah man, we're going to grow together as a family, yeah man.